YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariana Rose. If you're new and if you're not new, welcome back. As you guys read from the title, I will be showing you guys my 2023 room tour. I'm not gonna hold y'all much longer. We're gonna get straight into this video. Okay guys, when you first come into my room, you will see my dunk collection. As y'all see, I have a pair of my dunks on, so it's a slot missing. But these are some of my dunks, and then on top of my dunk collection, you have a decor with little flowers, and then you have my sign, my word sign. It says hello gorgeous with eyelashes, and these are a few of my purses. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you feel your mind? Okay y'all, and behind my door I have a few more purses on my little rack for my purses, and I have my robe on here. So these are just a few of my purses, and when you come more into my room, you begin to see my hair supplies rack. And here I have my brushes, my combs, my hot comb supplies, my flat irons. Here I have my bonnets, my scarves, my headbands, and down here I have all the products that I use on my hair. And here on my wall I have a few polka dots on my wall. I believe I got these from Hobby Lobby, if I'm not mistaken. I got these stickers from Hobby Lobby. When you come more into my room after you pass my hair supplies, this is my closet. I'm not gonna open it because it's just a closet. And here you come over to my designer bookshelf where I store all of my designer. I have Balenciaga leggings. I have this cute picture. I'm not sure where I got it from. I know I got it from at the store somewhere, but it was really cute for my room. I got Alexander McQueen, Off-Whites, Burberry's, and in this little section I have my different kinds of perfumes that I love. And here I have my Teflon. I do have another Teflon, but I have it on right now, so that's why it is missing. Then down below I have my tote bag, my Chanel, my Coach. I have another cute picture behind here. You guys cannot see it. I have my YSL box behind here also. And I have two pictures from my birthday brunch. So if you haven't watched my birthday vlog, make sure y'all go get that. On this next little section, I have my books, my candles, my umbrella, and like some birthday cards in there also. And in this little part, I have just really anything actually. It's deodorant, hand sanitizer, it's some vitamins down there. It's a lot of more stuff down there, but yeah. And then I have my Teddy Blake bag also. Shout out to Teddy Blake for sending me this beautiful bag. And then in here I have my electronics, my iPad box, my Apple Pen box, my camera accessories. I have some Clorox wipes in here. And I got my tripods in there. And then in this last little box I have the rest of my school supplies, which consists of paper, notebooks, binders, folders, pencils, and you know, highlighters and stuff. Next to my bookshelf, I have my two dressers that's filled with my clothes, and then I have these cute little candies that says follow your heart. Then I have my PlayStation with my two controller, and I have my other poster, and also I have this world map. And then I have my skeleton, really cute, really cool. And then I have a picture of my best friend. These glasses right here, these are for my flowers if I ever get any. Next to my dresses, I have my vanity mirror. Here I have a mini vanity. Here I have some of my jewelry. I got my everyday uses Vaseline baby lotion and this EOS lotion. I have a little perfume right here, and these are my bracelets. I got my Pandora earrings, my Coach earrings. I got a few makeup brushes, and I think this is a Coach necklace. This right here, this is my wig reviews that I need to do, so y'all stay tuned for that vlog. Here I have my notes from my niece. I will forever keep those up there. Here I have my, I'm not sure, a mini ring light. I have a letter E for my name, Ariana. I have a picture of me on my mirror. I have me a lip gloss collection. I have both of my computers. I have me a mini Bible that I got from Hawaii. And I got me a mini mirror. Next, I have me a speaker. And then I have my all chargeable charger. It charges my phone, my Apple Watch, and my AirPods. Up here, I have my Lorvay glasses, my Von Dutch box, which came with purses, and these here are my glasses, all glasses up in here. And here are my earrings, and this just is a cute black bag. And up here, you have a cute little pictures. Hello, gorgeous, and think like a lady and act like a boss. Here is my chair for my vanity. I have this polka dot pillow, and I believe I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I got this throw over rug. And under here is just my extra stuff, my extra clothes, basically extra clothes. Next to my vanity, I have my blinds, of course. I got a gold curtain rod with gold and white curtains. Here is my long clothes rack that I got from Amazon. And under here, I have my 2 bears. Haven't named those yet, but those are my bears. So after my clothes rack, you have my chalkboard wall over here. I did have some writing on it, but I erased it, and I will start drawing back on there soon. Next, I have my black and white purse collection. I have a Paris Eiffel Tower in the middle of it. And over here, I have more little decorative flowers. I have a cute little poster. I have me some shoes over here, my moon boots, my Doc Martens, and my hats, my hat collection. And on this little nightstand, I keep my remotes, my iPad, and really my chalkboard, markers, and my chalk, and my sleepy spray, and one candle. Next, I have my bed, but in front of my bed, I have these 2 gold boxes, and I have a Paris theme comforter. And I do have Paris pillowcases, but I need to buy me some king size pillows. And when I buy those, I will put my pillowcases on them. And then I have my black throw over blanket. And if you see on the top of my bed, I have my name on it. And the last thing is my tall mirror. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment any videos you would like to see. Bye.